why, in your opinion, is video the big thing now for realtors to use to do their marketing?
Well, I think video is big in general, regardless of the industry, and the statistics prove it.
Yep.
More and more platforms are introducing video. Look at Facebook a few years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, when they introduced video. They were pumping video content. Why? Because that's what people want. If I wanted to send a message to you, I can write it on a sticky, give it to you. You would read it and go, okay, cool. I can record myself just on a recorder, not visually, just audibly, and you can listen to it and you go, okay, that would be the next level of being able to understand a person. But if I spoke to you on video and you can see me and you can feel my energy, my emotion, and I can convey a message, now you're intrigued. Now you've made a connection with that person. That's why we all love going to the movies. That's why we all watch TV, because we fall in love with a certain character. If Brad Pitt was not on a movie, but he just decided to write down his script and send it to you, you would have no clue who Brad Pitt was. Visual, because now you're using all your senses. Yeah, you can't smell the person, obviously, but now you're hearing them, you're observing them, and you can follow the storyline so much easier. Yeah.
And they're saying that very soon the majority of content online is going to be video.
I believe it.
Yeah,
and I mean, that's what people want.
Well, it does, and especially with the advent of Facebook now, which is kind of where everybody hangs out. Video, everything is video.